In the maths department, we have Mr. O'Neill Morrison, who is our maths curriculum team leader, and myself, Mr. Humble, who is the maths Key Stage 4 coordinator. There are our email addresses. At maths, in the 9-to-1 curriculum, there's a much greater focus on problem solving, requirement to provide clear mathematical arguments. Recently, there's been additional content in both higher and foundation. Higher, there has been additional A-level content, and foundation has been additional higher content. And there's limited formulae given in the exams, and the exact formulae is still to be confirmed and will be told to students as soon as we have been given that information. For the Edexcel exams, there are 3 exams. We are going to have selected higher students entered into the OCR exams, and they will be notified as soon as possible on what exam board they'll be going into. The weightings can be seen there. There's 4 books we primarily use when we deliver the course to the Year 11 students. There's 2 foundation books and 2 higher books. We use this in class to put the questions up on the interactive whiteboard and for them to see sort of worked examples and answers. However, they can access this at home on pearsonactivelearn.com. There's also some additional websites at the bottom for them to use. A new website we've subscribed to this year is called Y11 Maths. If you look at the bullet points, it's first of all personalised to each student. It keeps learning from your attempts to create challenging yet achievable problems each week using AI, artificial intelligence. And because it's made specifically for each student, you'll be able to answer every question correctly. But some questions will take slightly longer than others, and some questions will probably need more than one try to get right. There is video support and swaps options to allow them to get that 100% correct. Continuing with Y11 Maths, it's really important, according to the first bullet point, they write everything down in terms of their workings and answers and don't just type in the answer only. One of the reasons for that is, first of all, it's important for exam technique, and secondly, is checked by the website. For example, after question 5, it will then say to them, what was your answer to question 1? In terms of signing on, obviously there's 2 points raised at the bottom there that highlight how you can do that. Again, still continuing with Y11 Maths, there's 3 types of homework, but there's one that's compulsory. It's important they do that. If they want to make even better progress, they've got the XP Boost and Target, which is ultimately additional math material with support videos that they can revise from. In-school support opportunities, there's going to be after-school revision that'll be starting again ASAP, and students and yourselves will be notified, and we're always looking to do small group interventions with students that need additional support or need to be pushed further. Final slide about how parents and guardians can support at home. Make sure they've got all their equipment. Ideally, make sure they have a revision guide and website. If there's any issues with that, let the school know and we will support you on that. Encourage them to complete their weekly homework and any additional revision. Again, good sleeping, good eating habits. Keep them off their phones as much as possible if you can. Good luck with that. Ask them if there's anything they're struggling with and do something about it. Encourage them to read more. Force a period of quiet in the house. Stay in touch with us teachers. And if you can, and you want to get involved, any sort of fun ways to test them will help them as well. Finally, any questions, like I say at the start, you've got myself and Mr. Morrison's email, and there's the school phone numbers. Thank you for listening.